This is the OEDRO tonneau cover installation video. All of the parts you need are enclosed, including the cover, brackets, hardware, a sealing strip, and an LED light. Place the folded cover on top of the truck bed. Check that it is even on all sides. Then, unclip the safety straps. Assemble the clamps on the inside by screwing in the metal rod. Then, place the black clamp on and finally screw on the knob. Do not tighten it yet. Repeat the same process on the other side. Unfold the cover towards the tailgate and make sure that it's even on both sides. Fasten the jaw of the clamp under the metal rail lip. Now secure the clamps by tightening the knobs. Do this for both sides. For the rear clamps, push them down into a vertical position, making sure that the jaw of the clamp is fixed under the metal rail. Place the magnetic LED light inside the truck wherever you see fit. For more information on our tonneau covers or other auto parts, visit OEDRO.com.